Good morning, Cooper. Morning, Ash. They're ready to go outside. Hi, Jack Jack. You ready to go outside, Cooper? These babies are tired. They did not sleep.
Uh-oh.
You got tape?
Yeah.
Yeah, let me make sure we throw it away, okay? Not throw the little pieces down.
Ew!
How strong are you? Show me your muscles. Hi.
Hey!
Hi. Hi. Hi, sis. Hi. Hi, everybody. What? What is it that you want? Wow, bud. What? Alright. Hang on, Macy. Your arm is caught. There. Okay. What's going on?
No.
Come in. Hi. Trick or treat. You practicing? Tay-Tay, what are you going to be for Halloween? Huh?
I don't.
Let it go?
Yeah.
Elsa? Are you going to... Oh.
Chucky.
Trick or treat. What are you going to be for Halloween? Tay-Tay, what are you going to be for Halloween? No? Okay. Tay-Tay, what do you want to be for Halloween? You want to be a witch?
Yeah.
Yeah? No, what did you decide to be? Oh, good sharing. What did you decide to be for Halloween?
A yummy hot dog.
A hot dog? A yummy hot dog?
Yeah.
Yeah. Would you...
Yummy diet.
Yummy candy? What is Sissy going to be for Halloween?
Joe.
Anna?
Yeah.
What's Jack Jack going to be for Halloween? What's Jack Jack going to be?
Yummy cheese.
Yummy cheese?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jodo.
Huh? What's Jack Jack going to be for Halloween? Can you say, Happy Halloween? Happy Halloween. Jack Jack, can you say, Happy? No. He's like, no, I'm grumpy right now, Mom. I'm grumpy right now. Okay. Jack Jack, can you give kisses? Mwah. Give me kisses. Give me kisses. Oh, Tay-Tay, let Sissy out. Tickle, 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 tickle. All right, Sissy, you ready to get dressed? Hi, sis. What is Tay-Tay doing to you? What is Tay-Tay doing to you? Hi. Hi. Let's get you dressed. All right, Tay-Tay, what are we doing? We're hiding the turtles. Sammy and Bubba are gone right now.
Yeah.
And we're going to surprise them with, I got 60 of these. I wanted to get 100, but I got 60. Good job. And we're going to put them everywhere, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Everywhere, so they find them all. Okay, where should it go? Let's put one in here. Look, he's even green. He blends right in. There. Ooh, good spot. Good job. Here, let's put him. Let's go like this. And you sit on the leaf. There. Okay, where else? Oh, good idea. Good job. Go grab more. Let's see. Hey, sis. Hi, Jack Jack.
Mama?
Yeah? All right, you want to sit on this part?
Yeah.
Okay. How is it, Tay Tay?
Yummy.
What are you eating? A cupcake?
Yeah.
Tay Tay picked out, oh, Jack Jack. Tay Tay picked out some special cupcakes from the store as her special treat. Oh, buddy. Should we clean you up? Oh, don't, oh. No. There's a handprint. All right, let's clean you up, bud. Oh, come back. Come back. Don't touch the camera. Don't touch that camera. Say yummy, Mace? Yeah. Yeah. Jack Jack, let's clean you up, buddy. You come here. Yeah. Tay Tay? Yummy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Jack just inhaled it. Come here, Jack Jack. Let's clean you up. Buddy. Come here, Jack. What? What's wrong? You want more? Is that what's wrong? Is that you want more? Oh, pick it up. You don't want any more? You just like the frosting part?
Mama, me help.
Wow. Give the rest of yours to Jack Jack.
Why?
Do you want it?
Yeah.
Okay, go eat the rest of your cupcake then. I don't know, buddy. You can't eat that. That's the paper. That's the paper. Oh. Okay. Let me help him. Okay. All right, bud. Come here.
Mama, now tell more. Okay. Mama, tell more.
You want more?
Yeah.
What do you say?
Mom.
Sissy. Oh, Sissy. Macy girl.
Teacher.
That's not. Oh, you have icing all over your hands. Is that yummy, sis?
Mom.
Hold on. Wait for. We're gonna clean up the babies and we're gonna lay them down.
Okay.
Can you stand over here, please?
Why?
Thank you. Because you're blocking the camera. You're blocking the camera. Yeah. No. Don't touch. Remember, we don't touch that camera. What are you eating? Carrot?
Yeah.
Is it yummy?
My mouth.
Your mouth? Eat carrot. Oh, yummy. She decided today she likes carrots. She asked for some. She's
I
never.
take you.
You like carrots?
Yeah.
Where did you finally like carrots? Where do you eat them at? Where do you eat carrots at? Do you eat them at school? Yeah. She decided today she likes carrots. She knew exactly where they were at my parents' house. We stopped by there earlier. And we went to the store. She asked for them at the store. We got home and she ate her cupcake. And then she was all excited for carrots. I'll take it. She can eat as many carrots as she wants. Yummy? Alright, so these babies are very into trying to feed Jack. You're using the wrong end, bud. Very into feeding themselves. They don't really have much interest in me feeding them anymore, which I guess is a good thing. Figure out how to use a spoon. Macy's got it. Good job, sis. Really? Yeah. Good job, but it would be easier if you turned it around. Here, look. There. There you go. Oh, he just wants to use that end. Alright. What are you doing? Buddy. Yeah, use the spoon. What are you doing? No, you're going to spill the whole thing on you. Good job, sis. Yummy? Yummy, sis? Yummy. What's wrong? What's wrong? Are you eating your food? You need help? Huh? You need help with your food?
Yeah.
Why? Okay, I'll help you.
Thank you.
Thank you.